civil partnership. Now, there are some trend and marriage, about the marriage and the divorce. What do you mean by the marriage trends? Relationship between the man and woman which is socially acceptable. Getting my point? Which is socially acceptable, that's become the marriage trends. This is something, marriage is something where two people announced their relationship to the society. This become the marriages. So if you if you take an example like in the America between 1970 to 2000, 50% marriages has been increased. Okay, and when one partner die, people get another one. This is the thing, you can say the trend of the marriage has been increased. People make a commitment with each other and then announce themselves that we are a husband and the wife in the society. Now, overall ratio has been declined because people, they are choosing to marry late, okay, or maybe they wanted to achieve something in their life, they wanted to spend some time with anyone, or you can say, if we talk about the Pakistani circumstances, everything has been so complicated and so expensive that people avoid marriages. Okay, so we already have a discussion that why what is the reason of the divorce. The divorce could be the reasons because of the financial health of the people. Okay, financial health of the people. So because of their financial health, because of very easy okay, I can give you some arguments on how that divorce trend has been increased. The first one, it is very easy, like you can give a divorce to anyone. Okay, if you wanted to get rid of anyone, you ask her that I will give you a divorce. It is something very easy thing, and it becomes very personal things. You can get rid of any person. The first. The second is changes is divorce. Like if you are living in a UK, you just have to give a proper and the solid logic. Okay, and then you can give divorce to your wife. The third one is decline of the moral standard. Because of declining the moral standard, now people are more willing to give divorce to their wives. Okay, because of the cheapness in the society, more people following the trends of the divorce. The fourth, you can say, more sexualization. It is very easy to have a or to keep a secret your physical relationship with the other one. That could be another reason of the divorce. Getting my point? The fifth one, you can count it as decline in a community. Like we already have a discussion that Hamza, that because of the mobility, because of the industrialization, people want to move from one place to another, and what they have to do, they wanted to take a very short family with them. But whenever they will go outside, they found someone, like they consider them that we have a very good nature. Okay, so that could be the reason that they give divorce to their previous wife or their first wife. Okay, sixth one, like it is some kind of a shameful act, but people don't have in any kind of intervene in your personal life. It is something that is approved by the society. You want shame that you gave divorce to your wife. Okay, so because of these things, trend of divorce has been increased day by day. The last one, how are the family roles changing? This is your paper 2, by the way, Hamza. How family roles has been changed. The first one is conjugal roles. What does it mean, conjugal roles? Conjugal roles, it's something that you have a different role, being a mother, being a kid, being a father, and being a grandparent. What do you mean by the mother? If you go back to the tradition way, what is the responsibility of the mother? To care of your children. Okay, sometime mother go outside and do some job. Okay, like if you remember, we already have a discussion yesterday on that topic, that women have double burden and the triple burden. Get my point? Double burden, she has to look after her home, and then she has to go for a job. Okay, So now the mother role has been changed. And what was the father role, by the way? Father was a breadwinner. Okay, he just has a one responsibility to go outside and do some work, do some job. Now the trend has been changed because of the feminism. Now mother role has been changed. She don't have a responsibility to look after home, but she has to go outside and do some work. On the other hand, initially the male responsibility was just to go for a job. Now at the moment, male responsibility also has been changed. He has to stay home, look after the kids, because kids becomes his responsibility as well. Okay, if you go back to the 2000 or to before 2000, that was the responsibility of the female. Now male is contributing side by side with the woman, same as the children. Okay, now children are independent. Okay, they wanted to use whatever they want. You can't compel them to do whatever your parents likes. Same as the grandparents. Okay, so the different roles in today was, whenever you will compare them to the pre-industrial societies. Okay, so these are some roles which